Don't be afraid. You're going to make it. But it's always going to feel as if you aren't. So, but that's the fun, you see. That's all children love to take risks. They like roaring around in hot rods or on those skateboards and things like that. They're terribly dangerous. But that courting of danger is life.
I'm about to read my book. I don't know if you guys want a book recommendation out of self-learn. It's pretty good so far. So, about to read my book. I'm about to go to church with my friends, and look, I don't go to church that often, but the once in a while, it does feel very good. And I know that whatever you believe in, it doesn't matter to me, to be honest. I don't even believe in going to the actual church. Like, you don't have to pray at a church. You can pray at any time, any place, anywhere. But it's just the act of doing it. It makes me feel good, and it makes me feel happy. It makes me feel grateful. Not everyone has a chance to do that, and not everyone who has the chance does it. Everyone's either unlucky or ungrateful. And I'd like to say that I'm both. Just appreciate life. And honestly, just take a few seconds to sit down and be grateful of your life. And even if you are in the worst spot ever, there's always something to be grateful. If you can't find it, I can help you. You should be very grateful that you're alive, that you're breathing. That's all you need. Be grateful that you get another chance to live today, because tomorrow is not guaranteed.